Okay, my friends, so when you open up the Woot spreadsheet, you're going to see how I've represented two decks of cards in Excel. So deck 1 is in row 2 and deck 2 is in row 3. And what you're going to see here is you're going to see numbers. A deck of cards is 52 unique things. So what I did was I just numbered them 1 through 52 using random numbers. Card 47 it's not important what card 47 is. What's important is card 47 in deck 1 in the same place as card 47 in deck 2? Like card 47 could be, I don't know, the 10 of hearts. But card 47 is going to be the 10 of hearts in both decks. So what I'm going to teach Excel how to do in this spreadsheet is look to see if both numbers are the same vertically. If they are, that's a Woot. So here's how you play a game in Excel. Find the F9 button on your keyboard. Now, my keyboard has its own F9 button. Yours might have the F9 button attached to other keys. It's usually up near the top of the keyboard. I think on Macintoshes, you have to hold down a function button, maybe even on some laptops. If you have any trouble finding it, just shoot me an email and let me know, and we'll track down it on your machine. So I'm going to press my F9 button. Now, when I press my F9 button, it reshuffles the deck. And this is what the order of cards would be. And you can't see them all. Like mine only shows out to card 23, and then I can scroll over and see more cards if you want. And as I scroll all the way to the end, I get all the way out to card 52, and there were no Woots, which means that was a shuffle of the deck where no cards matched. Let's try again. All right, so there's another shuffle of the deck. Take a quick look. Nope, no cards matched. Let's do it again. There's another shuffle of the deck. This is very different than we saw in the video I just showed you, right? Now, how are you going to know when a Woot occurs? Well, I'm going to press F9 again, and I'm going to take a quick little peek. Aha, there they are. I color-coded them. So when a Woot does it, check that out, it's card 47. That's pretty fun. When the Woot occurs, I color-code the cell under it red. And you can actually look in the cell, and I use the mathematical expression that minus that. And if it shows up 0, that tells Excel, boom, it's a Woot. So that's how Excel yells, Woot. So that's how you know. This one actually had 2. In other words, if you had kept going after the first Woot and just kept dealing through the deck, you would have actually had 2 in that one. Now what I want you to do is I want you to find that F9 button and just hold that puppy dog down and accumulate a whole lot of trials. What's happening right now as I'm holding this button down is this is playing and playing and playing and playing hundreds of times. You can see the little pink boxes going through as Woots are happening. It's always fun to try to stop right where a pink box is. Got one there in card 5. 42, 42. Might be some more. Oh, there's 3 in that one. That's pretty cool. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you're going to hold down that F9 button until you get a bunch of trials. What's a bunch of trials? Well, I'd say what I usually do is find something heavy like a stapler, stick it on the F9 button, walk away, get a drink of water, maybe a snack, and then come back. That'll get you a few hundred trials, and that'll probably be enough. We've probably already run a couple hundred, if not over 1,000. Okay? So hold her down for maybe 2, 3, 4 minutes, let go, and then read on.